There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S, divas.
What's up, divas? What's up, divos? It's your girl A, and I'm back to slay the RPG show wig. Okay, you know it's about to be the best of the best of the best, the best of the best of the best, the top tierist, the number one uno, the one who can nobody compete with. This is the RPG show, and this is their 20th anniversary. 20th. Can you imagine wearing a wig from a wig company that has been around for 20 years? Like, seriously. 20 years. Do any other wig companies even last that long? It's their anniversary. Now, I ain't here to sing y'all no lullabies, but I am here to tell y'all happy anniversary to RPG Show. I am so pleased to have worked with them for so long. They have been around for 20 years strong. They got the best of the best. So, girl, when I tell you that this is going to be a beautiful, beautiful wig, I'm here to tell you guys, if you have never tried an RPG Show wig, I don't know what y'all are waiting for, but here's your chance. Who don't love a good wig? So let's get into this video. So the wig is going to come in one of these travel bags, and also in your package you're going to find one of their postcards, which is basically a thank you, and it will also give you the dimensions and the specifics of your unit. This is a 20-inch Yaki, 13x6 glueless, and she is Swiss tinted lace, which means, baby, she is going to melt. He also did come with a wig cap, an elastic melting band, and also if you want to, you can also get one of their bags, which is also great for storing your wigs. When you are ordering a unit from RPG Show, make sure you check their options out, so that way when your wig comes, you can just put her on and go. Swiss tinted lace in a light brown color, already been bleached. There are combs in the unit, which are actually removable, and there's also one in the nape that you can also remove as well. The unit also does come with a removable elastic band. There is an adjustable strap in the nape as well. So divas, are y'all ready to put this on? Oh, did I forget to mention that she has a bang? Who don't love a good bang? I wanted a wig that had a good bang. It does come in other textures as well. So on that note, let's get into this video.
Mayday, Mayday, is there anybody who can help me, help me? I don't think my heart is working lately, lately. I can hear it calling for you, yeah, you show me beauty and life. You put me first all the time. No wonder I'm on a high when I'm with you, when I'm with you. Oh yeah, you like the things that I like. If you don't know, you always give it a try. No one can blame me for crying when I'm without you, when I'm without you, yeah. Know you got dreams of your own, sure you got places to go, but I just want you alone. Oh yeah, yeah. I know it's hard to be you, all the things you need to do, but baby, it's hard for me too. Oh yeah, yeah. Mayday, Mayday, is there anybody who can help me? I don't think my heart is working lately, lately. I can hear it calling for you, you, yeah. Mayday, Mayday, tell me you'll come home and be my baby. I've been losing sleep, I'm going crazy, crazy. Only you could save me. Only thing I need is your love. You say I'm one of a kind. You know, you ain't never lied. Fact is, you're one of one yourself. Cause you can love me like no one else. Don't get up and leave me hanging, let's just sleep today. Stay right here close to my heart and take my breath away. Let's make the most of our time. Cause I can love you like no one else. Mayday, Mayday, is there anybody who can help me? my heart is working lately, lately. I can hear it calling for you. Mayday, mayday. Tell me you'll come home and be my baby. I've been losing sleep, I'm going crazy, crazy. Only you could save me. Only thing I need is your love.
Okay, y'all, look, she looked really, really cute, okay? This wig came out really, really cute. I like the fullness of it. Girl, when I tell you this is some good Yaki hair, it definitely holds the curl. And y'all know with Yaki hair, you definitely have to set it. But this one right here, girl, she is holding the curl. Now, I love me a good bang. I definitely love me a good bang. And because it gets so hot outside, I decided I wanted to pin it up on the sides and wear it with the bang because that would look extra cute. What y'all think? So let's go ahead and twist her up. I'm gonna just do a quick pinup of her. All right, y'all. So this is my final look. I thought this looked super cute being pinned up with the bang. You know what I'm saying? Like, girl, let's pull the hair up a little bit, show them natural looking sides, and go about our day. This wig came out perfect. Everything from RPG Show is perfect. The lace, the fitting, the cap, the price, the hair texture, girl. RPG Show has been the best of the best in this wig game for 20 years. And if they've been around for 20 years, you definitely know that they have amazing units. Make sure you leave a black heart in the comments if you stayed to the end. Please make sure to hype this video up. Happy anniversary, RPG Show. I love you, and may you have many, many more years of anniversaries for your website. Make sure you hype the video up and leave me that black heart. I love you all. Thank you for staying tuned and watching. Stay diva and divolicious, and I will catch y'all in the next one.